Staycation be like this.
Room tour.
Staycation be like this. Oo nga, mainit nga dito. Mainit nga dito. Staycation be like this. Mother's Day. Ang init dito. Marami makakasama na sa pasyal yun. Room tour ka. Starter? Good for 2 coffee. Ang kape nila.
Sabi ko kasi may magpupun na mga post sa hotel eh.
Oo.
Pinaloko.
Na mga ano?
Mga post
Picture
ba?
pa kami nun. Nag-picture namin sa CR kami. Tsaka nag-video na ako eh. Hindi ko focus. Kasama si Maing ko pa. Kami doon.
Sabi ko gumawa ng GC. Sabi ko parang
Ayun, may kuha si Baby M.
Video na ako doon.
Mag-stay staycation be like this. Ayun, nandun kayo. Happy Mother's Day! Room tour.
Magkapalito ba kayo ng room? Magkapalito kayo?
Sino?
Sabi niya, alam, malamig masyado.
Ang ginaw dito.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Ayan. Ayan. Say hi. Say hi. Lahat na ng celebration.
Thank you for the sponsor. God bless you more. Thank you for the sponsor.
Thank you sa sponsors
Yung sponsor talaga.
ng Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, kami mga beautiful. Thank you.
Ate Chef.
Thank you, Ate Chef. Thank you, Chef. Ate Chef, oh,
Yes.
maawa si Chef.
Watching, ano yan? Parasite.
절대 들어오지 마요.
Going to 18.
Going down to the pool. Pool pala, pool lang.
Where's the beach? Where's the pool? We're all in the swimwear.
We're ready to swim.
Hi, bye.
May naglalakad na. Laki ng tiyan. Video. Done. Swimming. Fresh na fresh. Fresh na. Staycation mode here at Ace Hotel and Suites. Staycation mode, coffee time. Sa 4 na oras kaming nag-spa, hydro massage. Kain guys.
Happy birthday ba o Mother's Day? Father's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy mother, beautiful. Beautiful mother.
Thank you, Aljero. Thank you, na. Asan na ba?